Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Kevin Hart, Keanu Reeves, John Crescent, Jim Albert, and Sonic. With an all-star cast like that, there's no way they can produce a boring, dullet, lifeless movie, right? Wrong. Okay, maybe I'm jumping the gun here, but my friend Rob will help us break down and go through our 5 of the top critics will have to say about the film DC League of Super Pets.
Thanks, boss. I will take it from here. We will start with Thomas Floyd over at the Washington Post, who states, "It's unfortunate that Super Pets, unlike Lego Batman, doesn't commit to the off-the-wall frenzy. There are moments of sporadic distinction, but its assembly line animation, unimaginative needle drops and predictable plot flatten it to something more pedestrian. At times, it's tough to shake the feeling that Super Pets and its cuddly characters are more of a merchandising opportunity than a movie." Next is John Nugent from Empire, who states, "Otherwise, it all just feels a bit pointless. The animation style is flat and uninspired, with generic character design and plasticky smooth CG, in sharp contrast to recent innovations taken by studios like Sony or Pixar. And the plot, such as it is, could be predicted by even the youngest viewers. An evil scheme, a team that must learn to work together, a third act that neatly sorts everything out. Anyone looking to make a case for superhero fatigue would do well to use this as Exhibit A." Moving on to Ian Spelling from AV Club, who states, "As terrific as DC League of Super Pets is, its plentiful explosions are loud and violent. Not to mention, they depict the destruction of buildings that innocent bystanders presumably live and work inside. And at one point, a villain nearly chokes a beloved super pet to death by twisting a metal pipe around its neck. These are considerations more important for audience members with young companions, but for anyone who understands that it's just make-believe, DC League of Super Pets offers a barking good time at the movies." Next is Alonzo Duralda, of The Wrap, who states, "Like many films aimed at a younger audience, this one gets a little bogged down as it tries to get serious. Ace gets a flashback that clearly aims for the poignancy of the When She Loved Me sequence in Toy Story 2, but it never nails a Pixar-level assault on the tear ducts. To its credit, rather than pander to the easy laughs of talking to kids about what dogs do when they get taken for walks, such activities are suggested, thankfully, more often than depicted." And finally, Molly Freeman from Screen Rant states, "In the end, DC League of Super Pets might be a decent enough way to pass the time for families looking to escape the summer heat, but it may not keep kids entertained for all of its hour and 46-minute runtime. Beyond families with young kids, there's not much here to draw on other viewers. Johnson and Hart have proved a formidable movie duo in the past, but without their usual on-screen charm, it's tough to get invested in the stories of Crypto and Ace." In the end, the film amassed a critical score of 72% from 73 reviews on Rotten Tomatoes.
So, it does not seem like the worst movie in the world, but when it comes to DC animated films, at least on the smaller screen, we're used to it being much better than this. But it might still be a fun ride for the whole family, so give it a chance when it finally releases on July 29th.
For more movie review roundups, check out our look at Minions, The Rise of Gru review roundup. Also, please like and subscribe for more content in the future. Thanks for watching.